Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your lead gen form setup for LinkedIn with HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your lead generation form setup for LinkedIn with HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the main dashboard. Select the lead capture option from the drop-down menu. Choose the Forms section to access your existing forms. Locate the lead gen form you wish to verify. Click on the form name to open its settings. Review the form fields to ensure they align with your LinkedIn objectives. Next, open a new tab and log into your LinkedIn account. Go to your LinkedIn page where the form will be used. Create or edit your LinkedIn campaign to incorporate the lead gen form. Ensure your HubSpot form is linked to your LinkedIn campaign. Return to your HubSpot account and access the form settings again. Check the tracking URL setup to confirm it matches your campaign link. Test the form within HubSpot by filling it out and submitting. Once the submission is complete, check HubSpot for the new contact entry. Verify that all submitted information is correctly logged in HubSpot. If successful, return to your LinkedIn campaign and launch it. Monitor your LinkedIn engagement and ensure form submissions are capturing leads. Regularly check both LinkedIn and HubSpot for any discrepancies. If issues arise, revisit your form settings and LinkedIn configurations. Make adjustments as needed and retest the setup for accuracy. Continue to optimize your lead generation strategy based on performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.